How to invite your friends to join Remitly. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can invite your friends to join Remitly, and here is how to go about it. Note that it is very simple. The same way you invite friends, the same way you invite friends. And how do you do this? Ensure you create a Remitly account and ensure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, by the top part of the screen, you can see send money, you can see transfer history, and you can see the welcome address, under which we have options like settings, redeem offer, help, sign out. And once you can see this, move to the top part of the screen again. Next to transfer history, click on refer friends. After clicking on refer friends, you will be brought to the refer friends page. On this page, you can see the write up by the left side, which says share your special Remitly link using email, text message, and or social media. Make sure they sign up using the link you sent. So when they sign up using the link you sent, there will be your referrer, and then whenever they carry out a transaction on the app or on the site, you would get a commission for it. So the basic way of inviting your friends is by copying your invite link and then sending it to all of the friends that you want to invite, or you can decide to share the link through any of these means, which is through email, SMS, WhatsApp, or Facebook. Try any of this and you are good to go. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can invite your friends remotely. Thanks for watching and have a good day.